Hello guys, welcome back. So we just finished the area rule right now, and right now we are going to do the sine rule. Whew. The sine rule is also very easy, man. Like, it's so easy, you will see it, né? But first I'll just give you some theory just to see how it works. So again, we have what? Okay, of course. So let's focus on the triangle on the left hand side. We have triangle ABC. It's this big triangle that I did draw here, and then I want us to focus on the side. So if the question would be like, now what is I mean it actually, it doesn't really matter, man. A triangle ABC is still fine, it still makes sense. Yeah, triangle ABC, it still makes sense, you know. Yeah, man, triangle ABC, bro, it still makes sense. So we are here. This is sine B. B is theta, and then sine B is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So it's gonna be H over C, right? To write H as a subject of the formula, multiply by C. The C cancel on the side, then that side they multiply, then you have C sine B, right? We focus for another angle C, this angle right here, and then sine C is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is gonna be what? This is gonna be opposite, which is hypotenuse is gonna be B. And to get H as a subject of the formula, you just multiply by B all over. B cancels, they multiply on that side. So you have B sine C, right? So now we're going to equate, say this is H1, this is H2. I mean, it's the same H's, it's actually the same H's, so this is not necessary. So now let's equate them together, right? So we have H equals to H. That means we have, what's the first one? C sine B equals to B sine C. All right, and then here let us divide by B, divide by B. Let us also divide by C, right? Divide by C also. So by that you can already see the B, the C they cancels, the B they cancels. So overall what you will end up having is what? Sine B equals to over B equals to sine C over C. Do you get it? Yeah, that's what we have. Or alternatively, I'm gonna remove these. Alternatively, you could decide to actually divide by what? By sine. So you divide by sine B times sine C, divide by sine C times sine B. When I sine B, right? Then the sine B's they cancel, the sine C's they cancel. So now you have C over sine C, B over sine B. Basically, this is the sine rule. In short, this is the sine rule, and yeah, you can make it longer, right? It's just sine A over A is equals to sine B over B is equals to sine C over C, right? Or A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C, right? That is sine rule. I feel like this is gonna be one of the shortest videos, so I'm not gonna try to make it long. Let's go do some problems. We have two. Let me see. This is the cosine. So yeah, we have two. We have two problems we're gonna do right now. Yeah. Just wanna see, cause yeah, it's beautiful examples. So okay. You guys are ready now? So in triangle ABC, right, you have A, which is 106 degrees, C, which is 32 degrees, and then AC, and yeah, then we have to find the length of both sides. Yeah, so let us cook my triangle. Very cool. This, it has to be angle, it has to be side A. All right, I think I might have to push this one down, you know, just push it down. We'll come back to it. We need you, bro. Hey man, come on, bro, we need you right there. Cool. So let's go and then say this is C and this is B. All right, this is A. Okay, it's fine. They're saying AC, which is B, I'll say is equals to 23 meters. And then we have to find AB, which is actually C. We have to find C. We have to find BC also, which is A. We have to find A. Right, I would say equals to question mark equals to question mark. Hey, son. That's the, oh my, is that a question mark? Yeah, it's giving, yeah, okay, cool. So 116 degrees, there we go, 32 degrees, there we go. We don't know this angle, but it's cool. So here's the thing. This angle right here, we actually know it. You just go to your calculator. I mean, I could write it down and say yeah, you know, something, yeah, you just become lazy to do it. Like, no man, let me skip this step, but we'll do it. Okay, A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Then you'd say angles of triangle, and then therefore angle B is gonna be 180 degrees minus 106 degrees minus 32 degrees, right? So 180 minus 116 minus 32, 116, 32, I'm getting 32. Cool. So it's already giving me an idea that my triangle is wrong in terms of the sides, because yeah, this is isosceles triangle with two sides being equal. So I will fix that right now. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 Alright, cool. Because let me see, 180 minus 116 minus 32, it's 32. So if this side AC, which is B, if this side is equals to 23 meters, that means C equals to 23 meters too, right? Because this is isosceles triangle, these two sides, they're equal. We have the base angles are equal, the sides must be equal, right? So that is AB. So I could say we already have now, we have AB. Let us just find BC. This is BC, right? So to find BC, I'm gonna say this is A, right? Which is here. I'm gonna say A over sine A is equals to C, or let me just say B over sine B. You could actually even use A, you could use BC, and you could use for B, which is B, AC, but it's just easier this way, bro. So let us substitute. Okay, before any substitution, of course, you're looking for A and you don't know what A is, so you're gonna try to multiply every side by sine A, right? I could do this. Hey, Wanasa. What's happening here? What's happening? Alright, let me move this one instead. I don't have space, bro. I don't have space. Let me. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna want to multiply every side by sine A, right? And when I do that, the sine A this side, they're gonna cancel on that side. So that means I have A equals to sine A, of course B, then sine B, right? Which is what? B is 32. No, it's 23. 23 meters multiplied by sine 116 divided by sine 32. Then you have 23 times sine 116 close bracket divided by sine 32 close bracket. So, right, so then this is A, which is what? Which is BC. You are done. Just like that, bro. You're done. So I'm gonna have to remove this. Yeah, delete everything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to delete everything. Delete. And then I'm gonna move this one up above my head. Up above my head. There's music in the air. Cool. So we have these very interesting triangles here. We have triangle ABD. We also have triangle CBD, right? And yeah, we have to find BC, right? This is BC right here. We have to find this side, BC. So so let us see. We have to think, right? I have angle I have angle ABD A, no, I got that wrong. A, you know, sometimes when something is just right there in your eyes, but you still like, yeah, no. You have A, D, B, A, D, B is 40 degrees, right? And then C, C, B, D, C, D, B, C, D, B is 15 degrees. So, and we have to calculate BC. So I'll put this here and say BC question mark, right? Question mark. So one of the easiest thing you could do right here is to say, okay, I have my first triangle, which is a right angled triangle, right? This is 10, this is A, this is B, and this is D, right? And the angle here, it's 40 degrees, right? That's what you have. And then we have what do we have? We have another triangle. Okay, let me do this. We have another triangle. This is 15 degrees. This is D. Look at that. Alright, 15 degrees. Yeah, so when you now have this, I think for me it helps me get a better picture, a clear picture of what's going on here and what is it that I've been asked to do. So I have to find this side, right? I have to find that side. And the here on my triangle, okay, on this triangle, the side that is shared, a common side for both of these triangles is BD. Ne? So my mind, I'm thinking, remember this is under sine rule, so somewhere somehow we're gonna use sine rule, right? We're going to use the sine rule. So here's what I'm thinking. On here, it's a right angle triangle, very simple trigonometry. We can find this side, right? Let me call it A. We can find it. And this side, once we have found it, we will have C, which is the same as A, being something. And then we would say C over sine C is equals to D over, D over sine D. This is D over sine D. And from that's how we're going to get our value. Very simple, but like, when it was there, like, it looks like it's a very challenging problem, but it's not. So let's cook. You have, okay, this is an adjacent side. I have an opposite side, adjacent, opposite, tangent. Soka to a. So tan 40 degrees is equals to, maybe let me just do it step by step. Sine D is equals to opposite, which is AB, over adjacent, which is BD. Then substitution, 40 degrees equals to 10 all over A. And then we just swap these, so you have 10 times 40 degrees Yeah, 10 divided by tan 40, you're getting 11.92, right? That's 11.92. Yeah, and then since C, now we come to this triangle, since they share the same base BD, since and C equals to A equals to 11.92, right? So now we are at the stage where we can use our sine rule, right? So let's go. We would say our sine rule, it says let me say D divided by sine D is equals to C divided by sine C. So I'm looking for D. I don't have D, so I'm finding D. And then right here, what do I have? Of course I have this. So before any substitution, I'm just gonna multiply everything by sine D, right? And so after doing all of that, now I'll have D is equals to C sine D sine C. Then I can just substitute C. What is C? C, it's 11.92. Then sine D 15 degrees. And then sine C, which is 106 degrees. You put that in a calculator, you have your answer. Times sine 15 sine 106. Wow, such a very small side. Wow, didn't expect it to be that small. 3.21. So yes, so basically just hold on. Yeah, in fact, don't hold on. We are done with sine rule. All right, the next video, it will be about cosine rule, and it will close the chapter of trigonometry. Thank you very much, guys, for your support. I hope this is helping you as well, and yes, I will see you in the next video.